Hi, I'm Kate from Nuvo, and you're watching IMC. If you're looking for serious Indianapolis music legends, you'd be hard-pressed to find a more high-profile lineup than Nuvo's New Year's Eve Rock and Roll Ball at the Hyatt Regency in downtown Indy. You've got your pick of 4 stages with acts including the Y Store, the Virgin Millionaires, and X-Ray Roger Jimmy, Carl Story, and Scott Long on the comedy stage. Over on the Nuvo stage, you've got Nuvo's Best of Indie pick, the Mud Kids for Best Band with DJs Helicon and Rusty. I'm here with DJ Rusty himself. So what can we expect from Mud Kids on New Year's Eve?
I mean, all your favorites, of course. You know what I'm saying? All your Mud Kids favorites, man. Maybe a couple new ones will be thrown in there, too. You never know. You know what I mean? We're always able to do that. Probably have a nice little freestyle session in there for you. Of course, setting it off for the crowd, as we do. And, you know, a couple surprises here and there, you know what I mean? It's going to be a good time, I can tell you that much, for sure.
Great. That's the New Year's Eve Rock and Roll Ball, a big event. General admission is $49, ages 21 and over only. For more information, check out nuvo.net. And Rusty, thanks again. Can't wait to see you perform on New Year's Eve.
No worries, man. We'll see y'all at the Hyatt New Year's Eve. Be safe now.
For Nuvo, I'm Kate, and you're watching IMC.